What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we are unfortunately putting on another belt. So in an unfortunate event, the belt on the 350Z ended up ripping literally one day after driving. I did one pull and that guy literally flew right off the car, destroyed, shredded and all. And so today we'll be putting on another one, possibly a stronger one. We're gonna buy it from AutoZone instead and see how that lasts. And honestly, I'm thinking it's my pulleys, tensioners out of whack, or my air compressor. So we will see what it is eventually. But right now, I just want to run a little bit of AC for now. For the meantime, don't want to really buy any parts. Sorry about the disturbance in the background, but that's not the only thing we'll be doing today. We're going to be doing a full-on little detail. Let's call it spring clean. The Z is really dirty, inside and out. There's a whole bunch of crumbs and dust and a bunch of leaves that came in the car from last year and this year, and I haven't had a chance to go ahead and get a nice vacuum out of it, get it cleaned up, wipe down the dash, get the pollen out that's been sitting whenever I had the windows rolled. So we're going to be doing that today. So you guys will just get a maintenance video for today on the Z. Anyways, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. More content will be on the way, especially soon for this car. I have plenty of goodies and upgrades coming. And if you enjoyed, just leave a comment. Have any questions, throw that there. Well, that is enough talking. Let's go ahead and get today started and start with the Z and get on our way. It's fairly hot out here. Put my book bag up. First, let's start the car, a little warm up. I hear police in the neighborhood. I don't know, but I think somebody just got shot, which isn't that good. I hope everyone's okay. It's not what I think it is, and I'm overthinking. Alright, we are here. About to go ahead and see if I can get a stronger belt from Advance instead of O'Reilly's. See how all of that goes. Alright, we're here at Terrence Shop. Bought the new belt. I'm having my doubts that it might rip again, but don't be doubtful, guys. We're gonna see if this goes ahead and works out. Under the hood right now, I spent I haven't spun the tensioner yet, but I spun the AC compressor. It looks fine as of spinning wise. It doesn't seem loose. I think our issue probably will be the tensioner because I've had issues with it in the past. So I'll probably be buying a new one of those, putting it on the car. But we're gonna change the belt. No need to show you because in my last video, which you guys should see at the end of this video, we changed it. So you should pretty much know how to change the belt. It's not that hard. Actually, let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So right under here, you're gonna see the belt across here. It's a very limited space, so it's very hard to record, so I apologize in advance. But as you can see here, the belt that is missing is on this side, which holds the AC compressor. That's all it does, is really power the AC compressor, which is a good thing, because if this other belt does give me issues, I would not have driven this car here at all, because that controls alternator, power steering. You get the gist. A lot of bad things could happen. A lot of bad memes. But either way it goes, I believe it's that very bottom pulley there at the bottom that tightens the belt that might be thrown off on alignment, that's causing it to pull to another way side and rip my belt prematurely. Our car is all buttoned down, put together. Don't know if the belt's gonna rip again, but about to go ahead and go to our next destination, which is probably gonna be Home Depot, so we can get the shop back to clean the car out since my vacuum unfortunately broke. So yeah. Alright, got the vacuum right here. Got a nice little Stinger. Came with a $6 plus warranty. See how good this works, because the last one I bought did not last at all. Alright guys, I wanted to just pause the video and throw in a great deal for you. I am currently sponsored with Royalty Japan, and in this video I just wanted to go ahead and give them a huge shout out on all the products and everything that they have done for me so far and what they can do for you guys also in the future. Royalty Japan offers a whole bunch of things from car detailing soaps, wax on, wax off products, wheels, coilover suspension, stickers, and they have more things to come and more content in their own store. You guys can visit Royalty Japan. You can follow them on their Instagram up here, as well as they have a website that I'll leave down in the description below. And before you guys go ahead and start purchasing your great things from their website, make sure you use my sponsor code JDMNEDU15 for 15% off all products on their store. Hope you guys enjoy that, and let's get back to what we're doing in this video. All right guys, let me go to my GoPro. I'll keep the blade here. I'm taking off my old banner for a new one that I'll discuss right after I finish spraying and removing this old one right here. So I'm just saturating it in Windex, as you can see. Saturation, the old lettering away. After talking about Royalty, I did go ahead and get me a very nice banner from Royalty Japan that I'll be laying here on my car. It's pretty much gonna reside right here in that middle section. We're gonna take off the stuffs and start applying it. I'm gonna use probably a card. Doing this by myself, which kind of pretty much sucks. I wish I did have help, but it's all good, guys. Ooh. All right, now it's done. It's a little bit facing towards the left side. I kind of did a bad thing, but I don't know, it kind of fits with the windshield wiper, so I guess full send, bros. Love the new banner though. Thank you guys at Royalty. Now that we have finished up all of the prep for that windshield, we are going to start taking down this car one by one and start vacuuming it up. Just got this vacuum. Let's see how great she does. Hopefully she doesn't do bad. I'm pretty sure the plug is somewhere in the midst of here. Let's find out. I had some very dirty carpet all the way around. Got some dirty interior. I'm sitting on some things right now. Got a high chew. Ooh, let me eat that real quick. It's quite delicious. But yeah. Car needs to be cleaned. Let me kill this high chew and we'll get started. Nice! Alright. First things first. I'm gonna start cleaning out the car. Vacuum, we'll bring out the mats, and we'll continue doing that too. All right, everything's looking pretty decent. Carpet's done. It looks pretty solid in here, you know, nicely clean, it's fresh. Now that's all left is to do the interior and wipe down everything. And then the spray that I'm using here for the interior is the Armor All air freshener protectant. Ooh, some water dripped on my foot. But use this. It has a cool mist smell to it and it's good on the plastics in your car. Protects it from UV damage. Pretty much just shines it up. Makes it look really nice. Just a medium shine, not glossy, you know, so just kind of a nice factory clean look, which is what I'm attempting for. So we're gonna go ahead and start that up right now. As you can see, the entire inside is pretty much done really well. It smells so good in here with that spray. Probably won't even need any scent to put in the car, honestly. It smells really great. Doors are done. Everything's done from the inside wise, so I didn't want to put too much detail in on it. I'm glad that I didn't. Nicely carpeted, just clean. Next is just to do a basic wash on the outside, and we're done with the car for today. And then we'll be closing out this video. Not least, I don't know how long you guys know me for, but ever since I've had this car, these have never had a scent to them. I just thought they looked really nice, really cool, and it was from the previous owner. But now, today's the day we'll be taking these guys off and putting a new one from ATL Mobile Detailing. So these are now officially gone. That felt really bad, taking it down. Sense of smell, but here we are. It's nice. If you guys want to detail in the Metro Atlanta area, Atlanta in general, here goes his contact. He has a website where you can set up appointments. He has an Instagram as well. If you guys can see this on the GoPro. Yeah, this is his stuff right here. ATLMobileDetailing.com. You guys get the gist. Facebook and Instagram. This will be a very, very, very quick wash. It's getting dark, so I want to hurry up and get all this out of the way. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This is the next day because it got really dark, so I couldn't really show you guys everything going on, but pretty handsome over here. It's nicely cleaned, nicely done. Has a little bit of pollen from, I guess from accumulating from yesterday, but car looks alright. It's nice and shiny, pearly. I'm about to get ready to go to work, so won't be long, but yeah, inside smells really great. Carpet done, all that stuff, vacuum. This is just a little maintenance video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you guys later. Be safe out here. Remember, it's almost over, and love you guys. Peace out. See you in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.